Welcome guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 8. It's just dropped and I can't wait to get to it. But before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode. The previous episode was full action. Like we saw so many great plays from Hitoshi Sei, Bachira, even Isagi, Nagi, like the whole squad was on the move and it was great to see. Even our Mr. Policeman, I'm sorry I don't recall his actual name, but yeah, the whole squad and the whole tactics, the ego behind it, the game, everything. It was smooth and the animation also improved a little bit for Nagi's goal. The Nagi's introduction goal, that's what they are calling it. That was so cool, man. So yeah, starting from the beginning of the episode, we saw the counter attack from the other side, meaning U20 side, where they stole the ball from our side and gave it to Hitoshi Sei, like our Mr. Policeman. Police gave it to Hitoshi Sei, and Hitoshi Sei was a little bit philanthropical. Like I mean, he tried to pass it around, tried to give other people some chance to score. So he gave three passes to three different people, but all three of them failed, and finally he took it upon himself like Thanos and scored the goal, and in a very skillful fashion. And seeing that, like Rin got again excited. Rin got, or Rin's childish side came forward and he tried to emulate the same thing as we saw in the counter attack of the counter attack, and he missed it. He missed it in a little, by a little bit. Like the opponent's team's goalkeeper was also not foolish. He was able to defend that, but even the Rin failed, the whole team backed him up. The whole team, even Isagi, the one-on-one Emperor, everyone took their shot on the goal, and each and every time the goalkeeper blocked them, but they were not ready for Nagi and his ball control and everything, and his shot, man, like controlling the ball, taking the ball, and basically bouncing the ball up and hitting that. Yeah, beautiful. That's all. Goosebumps giving. So yeah, both the teams scored. So we are now 1-1. I don't know like how much time has passed and how we are going to go forward from this, and where the match is going to take us. But I do definitely know one thing is that our Blue Lock team has also found its bearing, how to act on everything, like how to react. Like they are not some lost child here. So it is basically as a title of my previous episode's reaction, episode 7's reaction. If you have not seen it, please watch it. So I've titled it Team of Strikers versus Team of Defenders, and that's what really is happening here. The whole team is filled with strikers, so everyone is going to try to score a goal from Blue Lock side, and everyone there is trying to defend it. So yeah, this is going to be interesting, man. Lots. I think so. Lots of things are waiting for us to here to happen, because this arc is heavily hyped, and I don't want to waste much time discussing it. So without wasting much time, let's get to episode's reaction. Yeah, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting Nagi to score. Yeah, the pose, brilliant. That's all. A superstar. I thought it was going to be Rin to score, but he took it too far. Yeah, man. Nagi is amazing. Chairman, he was just happy for a second there when Hitashi says scored. Yeah, this is cringe. What? The celebration is not over yet. Exactly. Nagi has that aura, man. Yeah, everyone tried it a lot, but Nagi was the one who made it happen. Yeah, this is the world stage. Because what? What happened? Come on, give us the exposition. Oh wow, okay, so it was still he has a big contribution there. Yeah, exactly. Plan always, there should always be a plan B, C. Don't stick to a plan. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, theory will take you only so far. And what is this? Play type shit. Yeah. Wow. To show that Blue Lock players are also capable, yeah, to win. Okay. That's simpler. Man, that was funny. Hmm. Yeah. They don't give up that easily. Nice. Wow. Yeah. It just happened for Nagi to be in the good, correct position. Yeah, but he took it too far, man. I don't know why. He was trying to emulate his brother's score. What? Yeah, that's insulting. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Man, Rin is cool. Yeah, not only Rin. That's a cooler image. Yeah, don't get. It's going to be a lot harder from now on. Hitoshi say is actually going to try now. Oh wow, okay, so only 15 minutes. Man, the match is moving fast. I thought it's going to be like Dragon Ball's Tournament of Power. Yeah, wow, okay, so finally they are 1-1. Exactly. Nice. I was waiting for this, man. This happened so suddenly. Wow. They are going at each other. Yeah, they are not going to give. Yeah, exactly. Ooh. What now? Oh. That's cool. Yeah, man. Don't let it be your only identity. Hitoshi says, brother, yeah. Wow, okay, round one. Exactly. Now what? Wow, everyone is mobilizing. Yeah. Nico boy. Wow. Oh wow. Is this the first time we are seeing his eyes? Hmm. Wow. Wow. This is cool. Hmm. What now? But he has already moved. But is he? Ah, nice. I thought Hitoshi says saw through that too. Nice. They got the ball back. That's cool. Hmm. Oh yeah. Come on, show us your power. Assassin. Who is this? Yeah, ninja. Oto, yeah. Yeah. They both are good partners, right? Yeah, let's see round two with them. Yeah, I think so. This episode is going to be time for them. Yeah, the policeman. How are they going to beat him? Ninja Kun. Who is that? Chigiri? Yeah, thought so. Nice. They are getting some screen time. Finally. Cool. Come on. Give us some animation, man. Not these lines. Hmm. Can he?
フィールド全体を使った総合能力者だ。ストレート。俺のスピードが
Yeah, wow. He got past. Past the defenders.
夢に
But something is going to go wrong.
瞬間が
And they are giving a lot of screen time
ここにある。
for Chigiri. That's good.
なんという加速力。ブルーロック4番チャンスメイク。
Yeah.
ブル
Who
ーロック
will he pass to? Nagi? Or Rin? Or Isagi? What? Whom?
深く侵入するか。
Hmm. He came this far.
俺かいボケ
Yeah.
殺す。ラ殺しや。カシイチな。
Man, this light and
赤いの
so dramatical.
ボールは密集の
Death Note plus football.
フリーだ。
敵やお嬢
Oh no.
狙えるシュートレンジ
Something going wrong. Yeah. Wow, Hitoshi Sei also was back. Exactly. Thought so.
こいつ
Oh, Rin is here. Yeah, brother versus brother. He's here too.
撃ってみろ俺はお前らを忠実に守るだけの典型的なクソ日本人のベータ獣だ
Yeah, Ravenous Beast. Oh, he's here to confuse him, right? Yeah.
で俺を突破する気かバレてんだよ
Hmm?
てめえの利き足は右落ちる
Yeah, wow, he got that from that. Nice.
くれてやる殺す左で撃つまだ
Can you overcome this? Yeah, he's going to, I think so. Come on, Rin, do it. Left foot, yeah. Wow, this is cool. This movement. He hit it from right. Yeah.
アウトサイドスピン
Will it go in? It went. Whoa. Yeah.
こうじゃねえか
Not expected.
ブルーロック
Exactly. Come on, yeah. Is that Hitoshi Sai in the back?
来たぜ
I want to see his reaction.
サッカーに新しい
So cool. Blue Lock has taken the lead. Exactly.
天才かよ。
I don't think so. Even Rin knew that he was going to do that. It just happened. I thought so.
前半あと5分。
Yeah.
プラン B で締めるぞ。ほいほいさ。
Oh wow, there is a plan B.
取り巻き悪天。ナイスおとりだったぞ、イサギ。
Yeah,
みんなごめん
this is cool. Let's see how we are going to come
お
back.
前が止めらんねんなら実際の弟なんだよ
Yeah, something is going to change. No, Shiro is going to come in.
ラドル結婚お前が招いたのか。
Wow, he's putting the responsibility on him.
叫んだ。チャンスを作ってる人間からの正当な主張だ。
He was, man. He was passing.
ゴールを決めろ。前半で追いつこう。
Are they? Only 5 minutes left, right?
ケツに火がついたから。アマちゃん。
俺たちに
Oh, wow, let's see.
だと
Let's see how they are going to achieve that, what they're talking.
さあ、このままアンダー
Yeah.
20の攻撃をしのいで前半を終えることができるのでしょうか。
What are they going to change in their strategy? Let's see. Yeah, they have the ball right now.
さっきより人数かけて攻めてきたな。
Okay, they are transforming themselves from defending to attacking.
いとしさえ
What now?
必死さが団地。
Exactly.
切るぞ
It's their life on the line too.
カンカン。
King Fox.
望むところだブンブンバスさ。
Buzzy Bee.
こっちだ。狙ってたのね。ただ5分を切ったら。
Oh, plan B,
そ
right?
して全員下がり。プラン B。
Hmm.
2対1だ。もう一点。
Oh no.
お前のタックルでシュートコースが
Oh no, somebody is going to come in.
俺もお前みたいに読める
Oh no, the ball still is in the, yeah.
まだだ
Somebody, yeah. Second ball. Exactly. Hitoshi Sei.
アディショナルタイムやばい
Yeah, thought so. Again, goal. 2-2. Nothing stopping him. Wow, the speed. The control. Huh? What's he doing?
おいでよ。うますぎ。
This is too much, man. Yeah, he gave the pass again. Come on. This time he has to score. Yeah, show your full potential.
無理なあんなパスで正解にしてくるおさきなクソ兄貴よし
No. Hitoshi say, yeah.
邪魔すんなよ
He is in the. Yeah.
な面倒くさ
Goal. Yeah, the little brother literally passed it to him. Served it on the plate. It's in. It's already in. Oh! I was for sure it was in. Yeah. Very well done, man. That's all. Great job. I was so sure, man. I was going to switch off my laptop. Like, of course it was in. Yeah. Brilliant. Come on, Hitoshi, say you have to give your 100%, or else you can't score. Exactly. Man, this is unexpected. Wow, there he is. He is going to enter. He smiled. Man, I'm ready. I'm ready for the next episode. This was a great episode. Well, guys, the episode ended there. But man, the last few minutes have hyped me up so much. Like, they're doing such a great job of ending the episode in a not in a cliffhanger way. They're not like blue balling us. They're giving us what we want and making us excited for the next week. And yeah, man, that's great. That's great, actually. Like, I was, as you can see in my reaction, like, I was so sure that the ball went in, because that was such a cool moment that the little brother took it from the striker and literally passed it to Hitoshi Sei, and I was sure that now, like, that was clearly like put it on his plate. He was going to score, but I think so he was a little bit overconfident that this was going to go in. He was not expecting Blue Lock to put in their whole life on the line or completely give their 100% to stop that goal, and that's what that other guy did. It's not about the main character Isagi or Rin or Nagi, no. Like, everyone, as even Hitoshi Sei himself pointed out, each and every one of them, not Hitoshi Sei, I think so, Mr. Policeman pointed it out, each and every one is fighting to score their own goal, to shine by themselves, not as a good teammate. No. They want to be the main character. They are pushing to be the main character. Even our Isagi is not the main character till now. Like, he's not being the protagonist. Nagi or Rin, they are in the main highlight. They are the characters that we are more hyped about. Isagi is still the player. So everyone, like, even Isagi is trying to be the main character in his own anime. So yeah, that's what makes the Blue Lock special, as Mr. Policeman said. And on contrast, the U20 team, they are some slackers. Like, they're skilled players, of course. They are good players, but they're not giving their fullest. I think so. The superstar guy was at the last moment like pushing himself to give or to reach the ball, but he came short of Rain Man. I don't know. I think so he's going to get replaced in the second half, definitely, because we finally saw Shido and him getting excited, man. When he enters, things are going to change. Of course they're going to change. I don't know how they are going to change, but definitely, man, I think so Isagi is going to step up. And I'm sorry for the superstar guy. I know he's trying his best, but he's just born in the wrong time, man. Anyway, great game. We've not seen much of Bachira in this episode. I want him to be a main spotlight too, because he is my first favorite character in this anime. In the episode 1, I think so. The way he played and everything. And episode 1 reminds me of that white-haired guy, the friend of Isagi. Where did he go? Like, he was angry and he said, I will come back, or I will see something or something. Like, what happened to him? Will he come back? Or he is just a side character or something? I don't know. I don't want any spoilers in the comment section. But I like to see him, like, the way they ended his character with the episode 1 itself. I was thinking that it's going to pay off in some other, maybe in U20 or something. But yeah, he is not there. He lost. But yeah, more of Bachira. We saw more of Chigiri in this episode, more of Ninja, more of Mr. Assassin and everyone. But yeah, I like to see more of Bachira too. But yeah, guys, fantastic job, man. Fantastic job. I know the animation is not up to date or up to what we wished for as a fan base, and it's not even close because most of the other sports anime or even hentai has more better animation than this. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know why. Maybe I'm biased, but I'm willing to forgive them for the animation. The story is so good. The drama is so brilliant that it helps me take my mind off the animation. I don't know if it's the same for you guys. If it is not, please comment down below. I like to interact with you guys. I like to share my views and maybe learn from you guys or anything. But one thing is for sure, I enjoyed this episode a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me. As I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, tips I can get from you guys so that I can improve and make it more entertaining for you guys. So please guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please guys, please interact with this video, help me out. It's free to do. So I hope you guys do it. And with that being said, finally, I like to thank those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking, sharing, subscribing and pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to the reactions each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Make yourself known in the comment section. I would like to thank you personally. Please guys, let's build a community here. And finally, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.